losing in forex trading, this video is for you. I want to urge you endeavor to watch the video to the end so that you can make money at least for this week. And of course, stop losing. This is what we call market outlook, and this is a moment where we come into the market to determine the directional bias that is going to be happening for this new week. And most of our guys, our traders, have been enjoying and making a lot of money. Last week we put out some trade out there, and many people make a lot of money. I think we had about 21. We had about 21 trade. We killed 20 and we lost just one. And aside from that, I also gave out some 2 5 to 6 players last week that are going to be looking, and most of them played out perfectly well. So in today's class, I'm going to be showing you exactly what's going to be what you'll be expecting for this new week and how you can catch all those big moves and make money for yourself. All right, let's go into it, guys. Let's go. My first trade for today is not good actually. Yeah, no, I'm not seeing anything on gold right now. This is gold trade. This is USD. I'm not seeing anything on gold at the moment. I had a back-to-back loss in this year and this one at this time. I was ready to buy here and again buy here again, and I didn't like the move. Gold was just doing something somehow, so I'm looking for a clearer move on this gold if I can make my direction. Right now, I'm not interested in taking gold for now. I don't like this move because I'm letting the buy to come around here. You keep taking me out and then now came back again. So I don't like that shit. So I'm gonna be looking for a clearer move on gold before I can take it right now. But it's not part of the trade. I'm gonna be calling for two for this week. And my first trade for the week is GBPJPY. Also, GBPJPY. This is a very clean trade. I love it so much. It's quite clean and quite meaningful. I expect this market to come down again to this point, to come out to this point and do a double top, or come out to this point and do a injection, a pin bar, then buy. Why am I looking for that? Let me show you why I'm looking for a long on GBPJPY. I expect a fill up on this last on this daily candle the candle did ahead, and then give me a rejections at this point, then buy to come and touch our trend line. The first time it touches here, second time third. So I'm setting it to touch our trend line, then give us a buy. Give us a buy. That is number one. Secondly, I'm looking for a short on AUDJPY. A short on AUD. This is an immediate short. If you can find your entry on this candle, please find your entry. Market took away this last low and we're testing. So market might come up here and did another rejection, then sell to this point. After you sell, then we can now begin to position for buy. This is also a good clean trade. I love this so much as well. This is more or less an head and shoulder. This is the head, this is shoulder, and market break this last structure here. The market is retesting back to this zone. That's cycle level. Market will go again, has to go again, and then do a double top, and then take it away, and take it away, and then take away this, take it away. I will draw a trend line here. Once I see this trend line taken away, bush, take it away. I will find an entering, and or I enter as sniper or someone here. If I see my confirmation entering, if not, you enter at confirmation at this point. Then we short for AUDJPY. That is it. Another one I'm looking at for is GDPUSD. GDPUSD. I'm looking for a buy, but I'm going to be doing a full short before the buy comes. It's also a clean trade, but for now I'm looking for a buy. I expect this market to come down. Let's like to come down to this point and give us a buy. But if you want to make money immediately in market opens, this might take till Tuesday. I don't know. But immediately market opens, this is a short market. Should short to this point, and of course do a later buy. Same thing on USD, USD, EURUSD. I'm expecting it to sell at continue market, pull out, break out from this consolidation, finally break out. But after breaking out, it did show that it should retest and continue, but it's testing inside this cycle. This was this our cycle level, meaning that what market will definitely not buying, that sellers has took over. So I'm setting the sell to long to this point to come here, then I have the confirmation of this entering, then I can buy. That is on Euro USD. So the buy might take us till Wednesday or Tuesday, we can say, but the sell is definitely going to be happen to this point. So if you are buying, if you want to make money, find your entering for sell, you should be fine for that. But me, I want to buy. I believe the buy will be long because I catch it so long. I love to catch 500, 1,000, 2,000 pips. So that is me, guys. That is for that. Another one I'm also looking at for this new week is which one again? For this new week is USDJPY, USDJPY. I'm looking at I'm looking at a short. Either market gonna take away these lows and then short, or market breaks a way out. But I'm not looking to break out. I'm looking to come down. So you come down here, we're gonna be looking for a short below this strike level. This something like this. Push down. That's it. Something like that. So we're gonna be so we say we can short that on that. So that is for that. Another one I'm looking out for the new week. That is 6 or 7. Is it 6 or 7? Am I considering CADJPY? Let me see. I don't think so. Am I considering USDJPY? I don't think so. Yeah, I'm considering a breakout on this one. Let me show you. I'm continuing a breakout. This structure I've seen it before. I'm continuing a breakout. Once it break with test above, I'm going to be talking, going for a buy. But I'm not seeing a breakout yet. It might sell to this point or sell back to this point before then. And also, I think I'm also considering card JPY. I'm still considering card JPY, but card right now is a sell short. But at this point, we can buy. I think that's all for. Yeah, I think that's all for today. That's all for all I'll be considering for the week. Let me know in conversation any week, anyone you want us to analyze, anyone you want us to analyze for you. Let me know in the conversation right now. Thank you for joining me once again. I wish you a lovely and profitable week ahead. Bye for now, guys. Peace out. Love you.